student friends. Today we are going to the teaching methodologies topic. The teaching methodologies are of different kinds, out of which 14 are there. In that, one of them that is flipped classroom. Flipped classroom. What is the flipped classroom? Means that here the student becomes the teacher, teacher becomes the student. So the motto of this flipped classes is it is an opportunity to the student. Student can have the teaching capability and explanation capacity and to extract the subject from the student, how he is facing the public and leadership qualities, communication skills, and how to manage the blackboard and all these things will be done by these flipped classes. Today, our topic is JDBC ODBC activity in Java. This topic is handling by Priyanka, who is our student. Now I am welcoming Priyanka. Please take the class on JDBC.
Good morning everyone, my name is Priyanka. I am a classmate as you all know. I am from CSCA section. Today I am going to tell you the difference and the main thing of JDBC and ODBC. These are one of the important topics in Java. By writing each one, I will explain you and I will tell you how it is going to happen. First of all, what is JDBC? What is ODBC? JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. ODBC, Open Database Connectivity. Everybody knows Open. Open is a system where you get the fluke of area, you get a database from outer area and you want to get it into the functionings of each code and you want to get it to the last endpoint, so called as database. JDBC. In JDBC, we get some formal request applications. It may be SQL type, it may be some other statement formats. From one application state, it moves on to the next state, giving them application through JDBC API. API is nothing but is also known as a protocol. Then it goes to the JDBC manager and then it divides into sessions. This is JDBC driver where we store all the entire process items over here. And for JDBC you get an application state. That application state would undergo the JDBC protocol and from there it goes to the JDBC manager and from here the instructions move on towards SQL or Oracle or database server. SQL, we get from ODBC, we get a request. That request from ODBC would be considered and that ODBC respected point from the database would give permission to the JDBC to manage the SQL statements. uses programs and allows requests to access them and give permission to JDBC so that the SQL statements would be forwarded and get a better result and result over. In JDBC, when this process is happening through this protocol to the JDBC manager, the SQL statements would be resulted and we would get and we can even re-result them using the JDBC process. In ODBs, this is open-based system. You get a circulated outcome and then you manage them all together with drive management and the database form, and the JDBC file would be uploaded and it's going to be data. Thank you. So should I leave?
Start channel. I'd like to say congratulations to Priyanka, who did well by taking the class. By taking the inspiration of Priyanka, all the students come forward and do this people class. This is a initiation, of course. This is the first time, no problem. For the second and third try, you become a good teacher, no doubt at all. So, you in this session, I would like to give some suggestions to her in the regard of this JDBC bodies. First, you tell the what is front end and what is the back end, how to the connection of front end to the back end. There is a provision in Java that provision what we call as a JDBC ODBC connectivity. We have a session like that. So in this, what is how to connect, how to create a connection object, how to create a statement object, how to create a result set. All these things you have to cover in JDBC. She gave only the introduction for the coming or following classes. You please improve yourself. Thank you.